Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix Instagram shop rejection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. But before going into the solution of the problem, first find out about the root of the problem. Go into your Instagram application and then after going into there, just simply scroll down to bottom in settings and then you will find this help section into here. Click into that help center and after going to there you will get this help center button. Click into that. Then in here you have to search for the shop policies. In here you can find all of the shop policies and other details about the shop feature of Instagram. If your Instagram is rejecting your shop into Instagram, then that must be because of your products in that shop is not following some policies of Instagram. Try checking that and try again after solving all the issues into your shops and product, and after that check the policies, then request again for the shop in your Instagram, then your problem will probably be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.